Hello, everyone, and welcome to Me Time. This is time for you to take moments in your day that are just for you. And today we're going to be doing a little bit of work around being well, wellness, feeling good in the body. It's fall right now, and so the weather's changing, and kids are back in school, teachers are back in school, and things are being passed around. Yet I believe that you have everything inside of your body to heal yourself. So if you would tune within your own body, and let's just go within and see if there's any place where there might be resistance to being well. Anytime we say, I don't want something, the universe says, hey, this is where you're vibrating. And so you get more of that thing you're pushing away. So rather than saying, I don't want to be sick or I don't want to catch that, what we would really like to do is to tune within and simply find, where am I in resistance to being well? Which chakra, energy system in the body is asking me to release right now so that I can be well? And what I'm going to ask you to do is to create a symbol that you can use to collect up the resistance or the stickiness or the thickness, the part that's not in alignment with you. And normally we can do this in a really long process, but today I would like to give you something you can do on the go. So what is your symbol? It could be a trash can, it could be a lid closing, it could be a toilet flushing. Personally, I like to use a rose. A rose has the highest vibration on earth. And so I like to create a rose and give the rose the command to collect up the resistance. But this is your time. This is your meditation. So I would like you to play with different symbols. So just visualize your symbol right out in front of you as if you were looking at a television screen. And now would you give the command to your symbol to collect up the resistance in your body to being well? And let the symbol do all of the work. And now would you flush the toilet or empty the trash can? You know when you're on a computer and you can right-click and empty your trash? That's exactly the same process that you're doing with this. So if your symbol was a trash can, right-click it, empty your trash. If it was a toilet, flush the toilet. And if you're using a rose, give the command to the rose to explode. Now let's do that again. Try it again. Create a symbol. Let's be specific this time. Give the command to the symbol to collect up your resistance out of your throat. And maybe your throat is being kind of thick right now, mucusy. Would you give the command to your symbol to collect up the mucus, to collect up all the attractor points to not being well, the resistance to not being well? And take a breath while the symbol's doing the work. Again, there's really nothing for you to do. It's simply given a command. And again, would you explode your rose, empty your trash, flush your toilet, whatever your symbol is. And let's do this one more time. I like to do a pattern of 3. So 3 passes on the same thing or 3 different places in the body. So create your symbol. And a lot of lung things are being passed around right now. So would you give the command to your symbol to collect up any thickness, any wheezing, any congestion in the lungs? And breathe again while the work is being done. And now, again, destroy your symbol, explode your symbol. And the reason we're exploding the symbol is we want the energy to dissipate into its smallest particle called an atom antiene particle, and they're going to go down your grounding cord. So just give that permission to release out of the physical body. And take a breath. Now, if you notice, your body is more open. There's more space for you to be you. And we really want to fill that space back in with what you choose. And we're going to fill that in by putting a sun, a ball above your head, a sun. And would you give the command to that ball, that sun, to go to the edges of the universe and bring back well-being? Well-being, being well. All that you own, all that is yours at well-being and being well. Just allow the ball, the sun, to collect up all of that energy that belongs to you. And now reach up with your non-dominant hand and pop that ball of energy, pop that sun, and allow all that liquid energy to now flood into all the cells of your body, of your physical body, of your beingness, allowing well-being to spread in, through you, around you, front, back, side, top, bottom. And as well-being is coming into the body, would you put a second ball, a second sun on top of your head and give it the command to bring in balance, so that as well-being is flowing through your body, you can have your body restored to balance. And again, give the command to that ball of energy to extend to the edges of the universe and bring back all of balance that belongs to you. And then once more, reach up with your non-dominant hand and pop that energy so that balance is now flowing and mingling with well-being, with wellness in the body. My wellness comes in balance. I am in balance with my well-being. And then let's put a third ball up there. Let's complete the triangle. Let's put a third ball up there and bring in, I feel so good with my balance and my well-being. So give the command to your ball to go to the edges of the universe and collect up your energy around, I just feel so good. Notice its color and texture. And then again, reach up with your non-dominant hand. Pop that ball, pop that energy, allowing all of that liquid energy to flood into your well-being, into your balance, into your body, into all the cells of you. And would you declare out loud, I am feeling good. I am in balance. I am being well and stand in well-being. I have everything within me to heal and to come into alignment with the truth of what my human body is meant to do. I feel good. I'm in balance. I am well. And I love how the wellness and balance within my body, within my being, allows me to feel good. Take a breath. Well done. Well done. Until next time, this is Dr. Nadine with Me Time. Have a great day.